So go get your name in the hat. We got the crown down here if you want to stop and take a look at that. And I think that's going to be more fun than the money sometimes. So get ready for a good day, guys.
Follow me, and I'll just say, after that, I went and sat down and said, I'm not making a full share.
Two-cylinder, run on methanol, 725 horsepower.
725 horsepower?
Yeah. Guy there, that's my tuner, so.
How do you drive it super fast?
Just hold her down. Wide open.
Hold her down.
Don't think about it, just go, just go. Well, it's a 1465 Hooper on 160 shot of nitrous. Yeah, so it'll be interesting. Just hang on and go.
Tune it.
Tune it?
Yeah.
Go fast, Chip?
Trying to go fast. It's not working so good.
What's the key to driving fast?
Holding her wide.
So it turned out pretty good, I think. So that'll look good on your mantle. Is there any call-outs? I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Way up here, we're going to start as soon as this is over. So we're going to take just one moment of silence. So if you want to remove your caps, if you can, stand if you're able. We'll take a moment of silence in memory of James Wilde in this first inaugural event. Thank you very much. So we're going to start off with a little grudge race here. In memory of James. So we're going to start with that and have a little bit of fun here today, guys. I hope you all enjoy.
What's the key to winning here?
Going fast.
Going fast? What kind of sled you got?
1200 two-stroke turbo.
Good, how are you?
You having fun today?
Having a great time.
Who's your favorite? Or do you got one?
My favorite's the Tuckers.
The Tuckers?
Yeah.
You're gonna win?
Oh, the Tuckers will win, yeah. They'll win something.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, have a fun day. What is your name?
Stan Barrett.
Stan Barrett. Well, nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. My less favorite one is Ralph Panderson.
This guy? Yeah.
Me and Stan's old buddies.
Some of them are not fit to go around the trail. All other classes we'll ask you to do. When you make the corner and round the bottom, we'll...
What's your key to winning?
Bearing down.
Hope he blows a belt. Fast machine.
Yeah, I know. 1, 2, 3, red light.
Had the jitters. You won?
No, I red lighted.
Oh!
I had to try something.
Oh, you went before he went?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at another pass.
yeah.